Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone notification sounds are not working after updating to iOS 17. So guys, if your iPhone notification sounds are not working after updating to iOS 17, you can try several troubleshooting steps to address this issue. Notification sound problem can be related to software settings, sound settings, or app specific issues. Here's how to fix it. First of all, you have to check your mute and silent mode. Make sure that your iPhone is not in silent mode, silent or mute mode. Check the physical switch on the side of your iPhone. If it shows red, that means it's in silent mode. You can toggle it to turn off silent mode. After this, then you have to do is check volume settings. Verify that your volume settings are properly configured. Use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to adjust the volume like this. After this, then you have to do is check ringtone and alerts. Go to your settings, go to sound and haptics, and make sure that the rings and alert settings are configured to your performance preference. You can select different tones for various notifications such as a text messages, emails and calls. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can help resolve notification sounds issue. You have to go to your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check do not disturb mode. Make sure that do not disturb mode is not enabled. Go to your control center and see if this moon-like icon is enabled or not. If it's enabled, then you have to do is disable it. After this, then you have to do is check app specific settings. Some apps have their own notification settings. Go to your settings, go to notification, and select the specific app that's not producing sounds. Like I'm selecting Gmail and make sure that sounds are enabled for that app. After trying this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your apps and secure that your apps are updated to the latest version. App updates can often include bug fixes and improvement sound functionality. So you have to open your app store, go to your account and see which apps need update. If there is specific app which is also causing the issue and there is also causing the update, then you have to update the app. After updating your app to their latest version, then you have to do is check for iOS updates. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Apple released updates that address software glitches and bugs. So you have to open your settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue, then you have to reset all settings on your iPhone. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will not erase your data but will reset all settings to their default values. To do this, simply you have to go back and then go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.